she walks by, the men folk getting gross.
Can't help it, the girl can't help it.
If she winks an eye, red lights turn to toe.
Can't help it, the girl can't help it.
If she got a lot of what they call the mo,
Can't help it, the girl can't help it.
the girl can't help it. She was born to please.
Can't help it, the girl can't help it.
And if she's got figure made to squeeze,
Can't help it, the girl can't help it.
won't you kindly be aware? The girl can't help it.
The girl can't help it.
It mesmerizes every mother's son.
Can't help it, the girl can't help it.
If she smiles, these things become well done.
Can't help it, the girl can't help it.
If she make grandpa feel like 21,
Can't help it, the girl can't help it.
the girl can't help it. She was born to please.
Can't help it, the girl can't help it.
And if I go to her home in the knee,
Can't help it, the girl can't help it.
won't you kindly be aware that I can't help it?
I can't help it.
'Cause I'm hoping, obviously, that someday the answer will be the girl can't help it. She's in love with me.
Can't help it, the girl can't help it.
June 23rd, 1963. As I sat drinking my morning martini, I realized I was capable of being perfect. Perfect in every aspect of human development. I have robbed 12 banks, 3 gas stations, and 1 post office. Well, I needed a stance, and that was so much fun. Who could that be? It's the darn mailman. What shit is this? There's no address. I'm coming. There's no address here. Who could that be? I'm coming.
Special delivery package, ma'am. Please sign here.
What do you mean, special delivery package?
Says right here, A house, Backwoods, New York.
There's no address here. I'm not on any road, route, or street. And I don't want people on my property. And the next time you bring extra mail, I'll shove it up your ass.
I understand. I get it.
Now you have only 15 seconds to get off my property, or I'll break your goddamn neck. Run, you bastard, run! What could it be? What could it be? Oh, it's the record I sent for.
The county jail, the prison bell